Welcome to Bowling Green, Ohio. Dave Schultz, the president of the Northwest Ohio Tractor Pullers. This is awesome.
It's here.
This is the Mecca.
It is here.
This is the coup de grace. We brought Susie Cool in.
Hello?
Welcome to Pull Town.
Thank you so much, Dave.
For all your Pittsburgh Penguins fans, right? You're the one who hypes them up, right?
Yes, born and raised in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I get to hype up the hockey fans there in the Berg. So,
All right, so let's start walking. So Dave, before every Grand National or Super National, we do a 300-foot walk with the promoter.
Sure.
Because this is what our competitors are going to be doing here in a few hours.
Yep.
And it's fun for the fans to kind of do this and feel it. And we hear a 4-engine modified warming up because I know they're running tonight.
Yep.
First things that grabbed me, storylines. Record number of vehicles signed up for Pull Town this year.
Oh, I tell you this, that was one of the things. We were worried about getting them all in here. I mean, it was like, okay, we've got them shoehorned in. I swear my Puller parking crew, Tetris is their favorite game to play because they do that every year. This year, it was a challenge, but they got it done.
It's fun seeing the overhead shots from the drone and different things like that, showing that all day.
Isn't it amazing? Every single square inch of this fairgrounds either has a fan camper in it, one of our great sponsors, and the unbelievable best pullers in the entire world.
Yeah, and I got to sneak through the campgrounds last night. Everybody's behaving, and they're having fun. You know, a couple years ago, you kind of really cracked down because some people were getting hurt. And I'm not trying to be negative. I'm trying to be real. You made some positive light to that, and everybody abided by the rules, and they're still having fun. But we're not calling ambulances in
Exactly.
anymore.
Last night, we meet with our EMS people every single morning.
Yeah.
And last night, they sat and did nothing all night long, which was fantastic.
And it was jamming out there.
Yeah.
It was.
We had a
jamming
great
out there.
time. Hey, on these treks, last night we had Red Feather
They were
band.
awesome.
They did a phenomenal concert right out here on the tracks. I cannot thank the fans enough. We asked them, hey, can you clean up a little bit? There were very few beer cans sitting out here on the track. There was very little to clean up, and these tracks are pristine, ready to go. Jeff Rafke, Elder Gherkin, and their crew, they got these tracks ready to rock tonight.
You talked about the concert last night, how the parking lots are full. You see all of the folding chairs getting ready for the pulls here later. What is your favorite part about Championship Weekend?
Championship Weekend, it's hard because you get it started, and you don't want to rush it, but Saturday night in Bowling Green, Ohio is second to none.
Goosebumps, Susan.
Yeah, it's I started.
Your arm stands up.
I started getting that, but the problem is to get to that, we got to have 4 other great sessions.
Right.
And so that's Saturday night's my favorite part, but it's also the most depressing because as soon as it's over, but then some crazy person runs back and sets the clock, and we get ready. Next year's the 60th.
So Susie, they have a running of the chairs.
Okay, the running of the chairs.
They come
now,
in.
You're telling me that Saturday is the night to look forward to. Now, if you were a newcomer to tractor pulling like myself,
It's the first time.
what? Yes,
We brought
it's
it
my
in
first
for the
time.
first time.
What is the number one pull of the weekend that I should really look forward to?
Personally,
Yeah, personally.
the unlimited mods or the minis.
Okay, and why is
Yeah.
that?
Because number one, they're the loudest.
Okay.
And 2, the minis, we talk about a crazy ride. They're all over the place, and those are my favorite. But then any tractor pull, the smoke.
Yep.
It's unbelievable. There is not one bad class the entire weekend.
When you've been walking around, Susie, what's kind of caught your eye as a first-time fan?
Honestly,
Or first
I
time?
think the amount of folding chairs that I saw, and then I asked somebody, like, is this place going to be full? And they told me, yes,
Oh, yes.
it is going to be full all weekend long.
The weather forecast
The weather is phenomenal, but
Yeah.
I have one more question for you. I've never been up close and personal with one of these machines. Am I going to feel it in my bones tonight?
Oh yeah.
You're going to feel it across town, Susie.
All right,
This
I
is-
got to get prepared
This
then.
is the only sport that you can sit in your seat and your seat feels like it's going to move.
Well, I'm ready for it.
Fantastic. Looking forward to another great weekend.
Thank you for being a tremendous leader. I know you have the executive board. You have 250 plus blue shirts. A lot going on all the time. You guys plan all year round, and it's just you guys have done it. This is the Mecca. This is the Mecca.
We're looking forward to another great weekend, and we're just gonna pray for great weather. Last weekend when people were moving in, we had mud all over the place.
Yep.
It looks like it's dry, and we're ready to rock this weekend in.
Awesome. The times, are they all 7 for the night sessions?
No, and you're going to ask me these questions
Well,
that
I
I don't
should've
have.
looked them up
I don't
too.
have it in front of me. Go to pulltown.com.
Pulltown.com.
They can get you all taken care of there. I know tonight starts at 7, and it's going to be a great Pull Town weekend.
Okay, before you hang up, favorite place to eat in Bowling Green? Not here. Just as just a personal question.
Personal question.
Personal question.
Actually, I'm between two.
Okay, give them to me.
Brewing Green has Jack and Doe's Pizza, phenomenal pizza, and the other one is Juniper Brewing.
Oh, they're the one who did the beer.
They're the one that did the beer.
Yeah, they did a can with a tractor on it.
Cute.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's neat.
But
Yeah.
they have phenomenal food. Those are my favorite two places. But then there's Campus Poly Eyes, there's Beckett's downtown, there's Sunset Bistro. There are some phenomenal places to eat in Bowling Green.
He's skinny because he rides
Yeah.
his bike.
That's the only reason why that's something hanging out here. So far, 65 miles since last Friday. So
Whether
go.
you call it Full Town, whether you call it Bowling Green, whether you call it the National Tractor Pulling Championships, it's freaking awesome no matter what you call it. Susie's going to be our pit reporter all week on Full Pull Live. It's going to be awesome. Dave, thanks for your time
Hey,
once
thank
again.
you.
We appreciate you.
looking forward to it. A great weekend.